So the last tool along the top that we're going to look at is our text tool. So if I click on text tool, along the top I have different font styles. Along the left indicates the font size. I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger for this. And along the right is our color for our text. Let's make that red so it pops out. So I just click somewhere on my page, and now it's going to give me a text box, and I'm going to write my name. Okay, and then I click use. Now it's going to come down and I will pop it in. I can stamp it as many times as I want. Now you're going to see I'm stuck with this Mrs. Hipper and it won't remove it. What I need to do, always remember, when stuck or when in doubt, come back to your select tool at the top. Now it is left, I can move around. Now if I select my writing, I can move it around. Once your writing is put on there though, you can't go back and change the font styles for that. You can change the colors. So once you've typed your text, it's only the colors that can change.